Have you heard that Bitcoin is decentralized? Well, today we're going to discuss what that actually means. Simply, decentralization just means that something doesn't have one point of failure or control. The more points it has, the more decentralized something is. This is a spectrum of one person being the most centralized, two people being more decentralized, and so on. Bitcoin can be seen as having three main layers to its decentralization. There are Bitcoin miners, node operators, and holders of Bitcoin. We will discuss each group in more detail in their own videos, but here's a quick rundown. Bitcoin miners secure the Bitcoin network from attacks and add new blocks of transactions. Miners secure the network by contributing hashing power, or basically a wall of energy that you can't get past unless you contribute more energy than the rest of the miners combined. They also add transactions to blocks to be added to the chain, hence blockchain. This is how the transactions are processed as far as who sends Bitcoin to whomever else. Bitcoin node operators decentralize the blockchain's ledger to all corners of the world and verify transactions set in the blocks by miners. Node operators can be anyone who downloads the full blockchain and runs a full node. We will eventually go over how anyone can do this, as it isn't super complicated or costly. They make sure the entire history of the blockchain is run at least somewhere, and they are the main verifiers that transactions included by the miners in their blocks are legitimate. All node operators check the transactions to verify the rules are followed. Note, all miners are also node operators, but not all node operators are miners. Lastly, we have the individuals that actually hold Bitcoin and participate in the network by storing it or sending Bitcoin to other holders. The holders of the coin, while having no direct say in the network, are still very influential. The miners and node operators are incentivized to have the best interests of the holders in mind. Holders use the network, and if nobody is left to use the network, it has no value. If a change is made or transactions verified that go against most of the holders' wishes, the value of the network drops considerably. These groups work together, but also independently to run the network. It is a system of checks and balances. Then, within each group, the members are spread all over the world and in various locations with various incentives for participation. So the chances that even many of the node operators, let's say, could conspire is very low. Then they still have the other groups to deal with. Next class, we're going to discuss why decentralization is so important to the network. But if you found this video informative, please check out the videos on the end screen, subscribe to the channel, like the video, and have a good day.